separation from the state of Manipur. We have also decided to hold a political consultation with a separate administration.
Third Mao Manipur Jai Mete Kuki Roni Bishingo Jetsuba and Mani, Asuba Mao Kupama Boro Roni Langma Joka, Dukumanka, Nogro Kambaika, the Boroni farms of Kambaika, Abunipage Cookies Rock, Te Kubuni Hani Manipur Porina Pine Rock, Borok Manipur no Yakare Jani Jani Tayo, Nijine Langma no Bachina Babe Borok Aroni Maki Pilbaka. Tabukok and Mohai, Cookies Rock Hakaje, Takni present, comment no Oje violence and money corno. Tangi Hinge Borok Musafano control Jack Hajak Nai, Samuna Borok control Kaiman Lia Hanebo Borok, Kokshil Chaka Cookie organization ni members rock. Hingetebo Kok Haka, Manipur ni Mete dominate area where Cookies Rock, Biskango Tai Borok, ni Je Life Borok ni Nijini Je culture vision Tui Tongna Nangmani Atong Mungno, Tai Borok Mete majority area where Tongwi Mangalaka Hanui, Borok Sakalaika. Tangi Hinge Tanai violence on Zakaje, Cherai Buri Bura job Kainai, central government job Kainai, Kevopano say York Lia Hanai. Alai Tanai Chalni situations no, Nugi Borok Sakaje, future of Mate dominate area where Cookies Rock Tongna Nikishapanos Hombo Unlia Hanai. Hai Nibagi Tini Kaisha press conference ni Bishinti, Cookies organizations the existing MLS Rocks Paksa Kainai, Kaisha press conference Kaima Nuksaka. A press conference of Cookies Rock Nipage Kaisha separate administrations ni demand Nuksagi Paga. Hadising of press meter Borok Tamsa Laika, Amo Knalayane, Borok ni Kukte, Chini or Chanela.
This is a press statement from the Chin Kuki Mizo Zomi Hill tribes that the unabated violence that began on 3rd May 2023 in Manipur, perpetrated by the majority Métis, tacitly supported by the existing government of Manipur against the Chin, Kuki, Zomi Hill tribes, has already partitioned the state and effected a total separation from the state of Manipur. Our people can no longer exist under Manipur as the hatred against our tribal community reached such a height that MLAs, ministers, pastors, police and civil officers, laymen, women and even children, we are not spared. They were killed. Not to mention the destruction of places, of worships, homes and properties. To live amidst the Meitei again is as good as a death for all our peoples. Therefore, as elected representative of our people, we today represent the sentiment of our people and endorse their political aspiration of separation from the state of Manipur. We have also decided to hold a political consultation with our peoples at the earliest regarding further steps to be taken by us as a people. As the state of Manipur has miserably failed to protect us, we seek the Union of India, a separate administration under the Constitution of India, and to live peacefully as neighbors with the state of Manipur. The Union of India is the authority to sanction which is deemed to be fit for the administration of the hill areas.
Whether it is a state, whether it is a union territory, is up to the government of India. We seek of the Union of.
Now Burma is in war. The military junta and the democratic peoples, there is a war. So some 200, 300 peoples may infiltrate, but the government of India has instructed me as a sub-cabinet committee to give them shelter and to take them as a refugee. We have put up some camps there. There's nothing much as people say. It happens when Bangladesh in war. So many of Bangladeshis come into Manipur, India and Assam and everywhere. It happens during war. Now Russia and Ukraine is in war. Lots of crores of Ukrainians are settled down at Romania. It happens.